Hi and welcome to this 13th tutorial in the ColorCraft tutorial series. Today we are going to check out the workflow section. Let's first find some nice palettes to recolor our sprites. Next, we're going to add a dithering algorithm, and we're going to change the distance metric as well. Might not be the best recolor here, but it's just for demonstration purposes. Next, we're going to extend our template value. Standard, it exports the recolored files with the original file name together with the palette name. We can extend this to also add the dithering algorithm and the distance metric as well. If we now recolor our assets, we can see the desired effect in the naming of the output files. The next feature is the preset feature. With this feature, we can save the whole state of our workspace as a preset, so we can easily load it in again the next time we start up the application. This was all for the 13th tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.